So we stopped along the roadside here to use the restroom real quick, and I believe this is the definition of the middle of nowhere.
So guys, we are in the bustling burg of Cedar City, Utah. And while we were driving, Scott noticed that the back of the camper was riding kind of wonky like. And we pulled into a gas station and the tire was like misaligned back here on the camper. So he got down there and looked, and there's some kind of like spring thingy attached to the axle that's broken. So Scott can put words down at the bottom of this to explain what actually any of this is, because I don't fully understand it, because wonky and spring thingy I don't think are really actual terms for anything when it has to do with our camper. But all I know is it had to be welded. So got on good old Google, did a Google search. It turns out there was a welder right across the street from the gas station. We're at this super awesome place called Utah Welders. We show up at their door at 6 o'clock on a Wednesday evening, and they're supposed to close at 7. Come in here and show them what we've got going on. Super nice guy comes out here and he's like, yeah, let me take a look at it. He's been out here working on it for about 45 minutes now. I'm sure he has better things to do this evening, probably fun things to do besides working on our camper, but he is getting us squared away and back on the road. So it's not been fun, but super awesome that these things worked out. That's the foot of the really nice welder guy. So what are the chances that we would have this happen across the street from a welder who happened to be open and was able to look at it tonight? Pretty awesome, guys.
Park, and we are hiking the Narrows Trail. It is super fun. It's hiking in a river and it's super fun. Hey guys, look at this. Watch this. Okay, that's literally
Okay guys, so as she said, we're at the Narrows in Zion. Couple things you need to know before you come here that we didn't know. Okay, it's not that cold, but hiking sticks are a great thing. So we got lucked out and found just some random like sticks, but before you come on this trail, they rent them. I don't know how much they are, but you need them. They're like super duper important. And really sturdy shoes. We have out on my Chacos, making it, it's doing fine. But I get it why people wear ankle boots in here, because your ankle's moving all over the place on the rocks.
And beware, the water's cold.
It's not that cold. It's 100 degrees out here. Hey guys, we're getting ready to go through this tunnel in Zion. It's like a mile long. It's supposed to be pretty cool, but we had to actually pay $15. So we got this cool little permit thing here. We're gonna pay $15 because we have a dually. So if you're a normal car, you just get to go for free. But if you take up too much of the road, then they have to like stop all traffic, and we're the only people that will go through the tunnel because the truck is so stinking big. So it's gonna be kind of cool.
we are at Zion National Park. We just drove through that tunnel, and now we are at this pull-off looking at, like, exploring and looking at all this red rock.
We are in southern Utah, just outside of Kanab, and we are on Wire Pass Trail. We're on our way down to go through a slot canyon. So it's about a little over a mile through this wash, and then we get to the canyon, and we're super pumped about it. And it's kind of hot out. It is about like 81, 82 degrees, but there's a nice breeze and it's not humid.
Sweating.
Yeah, so we've been on worse. It's really not too bad.